Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something essential for all you dashcam enthusiasts out there. The Amazon Basics Micro SDXC memory card with full-size adapter. We're diving deep into why this is the best SD card for your dashcam, and why it should be at the top of your shopping list. But before we get into all the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews.
Now, let's talk about this Amazon Basics Micro SDXC memory card. It's more than just your ordinary memory card. It's a game changer for dashcam users. First up, let's talk about speed and performance. This card offers blazing fast read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, ensuring that your dashcam captures every crucial moment without any lag. It's rated U3 and A2, making it ideal for recording high-definition video and handling data-intensive tasks. Whether you're capturing important footage for insurance purposes or just documenting your road trips, you can trust this SD card to keep up with the demands of your dashcam. Now, let's talk storage capacity. This specific model boasts an impressive 128 gigabytes of space, allowing you to store hours of footage without worrying about running out of storage. With this card, you can go on long drives or even record multiple road trips without constantly swapping out memory cards. And guess what? It comes with a full-size adapter, so you can easily transfer your dashcam footage to your computer or other devices that use SD cards. Durability is crucial, especially when it comes to dashcam usage. This Amazon Basics memory card is built to last. It's shockproof, waterproof with an IPX6 rating, and can withstand extreme temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. So, no matter the conditions, your data remains safe and sound. Plus, it's X-ray proof and magnetic proof, ensuring your data is secure even in the most challenging environments. The versatility of this memory card is another reason it's our top pick for dashcams. It's not just for dashcams. It's compatible with a wide range of devices. Think smartphones, tablets, cameras, laptops, and even the Nintendo Switch. It's a one-size-fits-all solution for your storage needs. Now, let's talk about value for money. Despite its exceptional performance and features, this memory card is incredibly affordable. It's a cost-effective choice that won't break the bank. So, there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basics Micro SDXC memory card with full-size adapter, the best SD card for your dashcam needs. With its lightning-fast speed, ample storage, durability, and compatibility, it's a game-changer for dashcam users, and it won't empty your wallet. If you're in the market for a reliable and high-performance SD card for your dashcam, look no further. Check out the Amazon Basics Micro SDXC memory card. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.